Hi everyone. In today's video, I would be discussing about the role of nutrition on improving your immunity, especially against the COVID pandemic. Before we proceed, just a small disclaimer, I'm not a certified nutritionist or a dietitian, though I am a food technologist. So I would be approaching the general guidelines backed by research published in reputed journals. I also do understand that this is a tough time for everyone, so I would advise you to take care of your mental health as well alongside your physical health. Do seek professional help if that would help you cope with the situation better. The food you eat plays a key aspect in determining your overall health and immunity. Here are some guidelines related to your dietary consumption. Try to increase your protein consumption. As per the recommended dietary allowances, an average person should consume about 0.8 gram to 1 gram protein per kg body weight. So, if you weigh about 60 kgs, you should consume around 55 to 60 grams of protein. You should also regularly consume vegetables and fruits rich in beta carotene, ascorbic acid, and other essential vitamins. Certain foods like mushrooms, tomatoes, bell peppers, and green vegetables like broccoli, spinach are also good options to build resilience in the body against infections. You can also eat foods rich in omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids for your daily dose or supplements if stepping out to buying groceries is not an option during social distancing. Some natural immunity supplements include ginger, gooseberry, that is amla, and turmeric. Some of the superfoods are common ingredients in Indian dishes and snacks as well. There are several herbs that help in boosting immunity like garlic, basil leaves, and black cumin. Certain seeds and nuts like sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and melon seeds are excellent sources of protein and vitamin E. I will also attach a complete list of vegetables and fruits rich in the mentioned vitamins and minerals, as well as some major sources of omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids. Probiotics like yogurt, Yakult, and other fermented foods are also excellent sources to rejuvenate the composition of gut bacteria, which is important for nutrient absorption by the body. These are good options for the older generation as well. Apart from the dietary guidelines, some of the other health related aspects include: don't compromise on your sleep. Good snooze time for 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help your body build immunity. Lesser sleep will leave you tired and impair your brain activity. The lack of sleep will prevent the body from resting, and this will impair other bodily functions that will have a direct impact on your immunity. Lack of sleep adversely affects the action of flu vaccine as well. Stay hydrated. Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated. Hydration will help flush out the toxins from the body and lower your chances of getting the flu. Other alternatives include juices made of citrus fruits and coconut water to beat the heat. Do not skip on exercise. A good diet should be followed by an exercise routine. Remember to exercise regularly. Even light exercise will go a long way in releasing the toxins from your body. It is recommended to exercise for 30 to 45 minutes depending on your stamina. If you have not started exercising yet, then it is a good time to start. Regular exercise improves metabolism, which has a direct correlation with body immunity. There are various blogs, apps, and YouTube channels as well that can help you in working out at home. I will leave the links to a few of them in the description box. De-stress yourself. These are testing times, and a prolonged period of staying indoors has its implications on your mental well-being. A growing anxiety around the pandemic is another concern that is affecting millions across the globe. While the uncertainty might be overwhelming, there are a few steps we can follow regularly to help relieve out stress, which is known to have an adverse effect on the immunity. I will be making a separate video about de-stressing and mindfulness, so stay tuned for that. Practice meditation. Too much stress releases the hormone known as cortisol, which impairs your response to immediate surroundings and makes your body susceptible to infections. You are left feeling constantly anxious. The best way to relieve stress is through meditation, and it is a tried and tested activity to calm the nerves. Guided meditation is a great way to get into meditation, and I have found that Headspace is a great app for this. So I'll leave a link to that in the description. Supplements and immunity boosting foods. While all of the above mentioned tips will definitely help, the need of the hour is a quick boost to your immunity system to keep it fighting fit. If you're concerned whether you are getting the right amount of nutrients from your diet, consult with your doctor about supplementation regime to boost your immune system. Here are a few common supplements and superfoods that might help. Vitamin C. This particular vitamin is a crucial participant in the army of immunity. It helps prevent the common cold. It acts as a powerful antioxidant and protects against damage induced by oxidative stress. For severe infections, including sepsis and acute respiratory disease distress syndrome, ARDS, high dose intravenous vitamin C treatment has been shown to significantly improve symptoms in patients. Vitamin D. Vitamin D supplements have a mild protective effect against the respiratory tract infections. Most people are deficient in vitamin D, so it's best to consult with a doctor about taking vitamin D supplement to boost immune response. Zinc. Zinc is a vital component to the WBCs, that is white blood corpuscles or white blood cells, which helps in fighting infections. A zinc deficiency often makes one more susceptible to flu, cold, and other viral infections. It is advisable to take a zinc supplement, especially for older people. Elderberry. Elderberries are full of nutrients, including minerals like phosphorus, potassium, iron, copper, and vitamins such as vitamin A, B, and C, protein, and dietary fibers. They also have antibacterial and antiviral qualities that will help prevent cold and influenza and other respiratory tract diseases. Before consuming any supplements, do consult with a medical health professional. Also consult before making any changes to your regular diet as well, especially in case of a chronic disease. Turmeric and garlic. A bright yellow spice called turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which boosts the immune function. Garlic also has powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, which enhances body immunity. Apart from maintaining a healthy lifestyle and taking supplements, the Indian Health Ministry has also suggested a few organic and natural ways to practice, such as preventive measures to fight COVID-19. The Ministry of Ayush has also recommended the following self-care guidelines as preventive measures to boost immunity, with special reference to respiratory health. I would be leaving these guidelines in the description box as well.